Today we're here at 2429 Trevor Drive in the prestigious waterfront community of Bronte in beautiful Oakville. This exceptional family home with over 2,900 square feet of total living space sits on a fabulous 60 by 100 foot lot, and best of all, it's located on one of Oakville's prettiest streets. With 4-bedroom, 2+2 bathroom, a fully finished basement, and a fabulous backyard with a pool and separate dining area, this is perfect for the growing family or for the downsizer who still values lifestyle and detached home living. I'm so excited to show you this home, so come on inside. This home will delight you. The main level features a very spacious and bright living room with gorgeous wide planked hardwood floors, newly installed pot lights, a large picture window for natural daylight, a gas fireplace, and a convenient walkout to the private backyard. The separate dining room is spacious enough to host a large gathering, and it flows nicely into the updated eat-in cherrywood kitchen with granite counters and a ton of storage. A main floor powder room and access to the backyard complete the main floor. The second floor is host to 4 bedrooms. The principal bedroom has its own 2-piece bathroom, and there is a large 5-piece main bathroom with his and hers sinks. The lower level offers additional living space with a family room, a full 4-piece bathroom, an oversized laundry room, and a very large storage room. So here we are in this stunning backyard. I personally love the privacy and all the quiet that this backyard offers. The swimming pool is the focal point of this backyard. It has been meticulously maintained by the current owners. You can see a real pride of ownership. There are a lot of exterior improvements worth mentioning, including newer roof shingles, new fencing, improvements to the pool, and stone walkway, just to name a few. This home is warm, inviting, easy access to the highways, great local schools, and best of all, move-in ready.